So now let's see how we can fit text with path inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, let me just go ahead and bring in an ellipse, for example. You can go around and take any shape that you want for this particular task. I'm going to go around onto text tool and then simply click right here. And let's just go around and type in, let's say, for example, TutorTube example right here. So once I go ahead and do that, what I need to do is I need to attach this particular text right here onto this oval shape right here, or any shape that I choose. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go ahead and then select this tool right here just like this. Let me just go around and select these two objects right here, that is the text and shape. And then I'm going to go around onto the text menu right here and then go around and choose fit text to path. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this simply goes around and fits into path right here. So as I move around, you can see the text right here. You can go around and type in, let's say, for example, more words right here as well, and change around the size as well according to how you want. And this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You have the text right here, and you got these points right here that you can go ahead and move. So if I were to go around and move this, you can see that that is what you have. So I can simply go around and then, let's say, for example, drag out these as right here to push this out right here just like this as well, or pull this inside as well. Apart from that, you can also choose the different sort of arrangement over here as well. So let's just go around and pull this onto the top right here just like this, and you can see that I can go ahead and then change this out here as well, and you can change around the style just like this as well, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and change around other text settings, as you can see right here, and this is how you can go ahead and fit the text into the path inside of Corel Draw just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.